Hello and welcome back to RyugenTrades. It is episode 47. Yes, I am back after a 1 month break. And today's episode is all about quest for consistency. And today is the 10th of April 2025. And this is just me talking about how I am improving myself. And amidst all the tariff crazy news, spikes in the market, drops in the market, well, we still got to do our homework. If you're new to this channel, I'm a retail trader. Now mainly I try to scalp FCPO mainly. I still have some Bursa stocks, one counter in US, and basically that's about it. Disclaimer, not much to say about that. That's the usual. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell. I'm not going to cover any stock recommendation today or no technical analysis, but this is mainly a video on basically how I'm improving myself. So let's get on with it. Well, this video is all about improvement, and well, I'm going to start off by saying I'm just declaring myself as a top 10,000 trading podcast in Malaysia. Well, this is not verified. I'm just having some fun. I think there's not many Malaysian-based YouTube channel or podcasts on trading, so I think maybe I'm quite safe to declare myself the top 10,000. And actually, I've been doing quite well in April this year. I was 100% win rate until this afternoon where I had to take a loss. And my win rate now for this month is 93.75%. Of course, unverified. But as a comparison, my February and March numbers were 60%. So it's a marked improvement, and I'm going to talk about what I've done to improve my consistency so far. And let's start with the 5 things. I'll give you an overview of what are the 5 things. Number 1, basically finding myself a mentor. Number 2, finding my own trading style. For once I have an edge, I think. Number 3, journal. Number 4, spending so much more time on charts and identifying key levels. And number 5, a pre-market write-up. And this I will talk in details later on. Well, let's start off with finding yourself a mentor. If you're trading alone and you find yourself struggling, well, I suggest you find yourself a mentor. Search around the internet, talk to friends, talk to other traders, see who can you find as a mentor. Approach this person, talk to the person and see whether it's a good fit. And if you've managed to find yourself a mentor, it would really help you in your trading game. Like any top athletes, even top tennis players, football players, they will still need a good manager, a good coach to bring the best out of them. So don't be afraid to explore, and I hope you the best in finding yourself a mentor, just like Luke Skywalker here. Number 2 is really after that finding your own trading style. And one of the mistakes I made in my early trading journey is to treat all types of trading the same, whether swing trading, intraday scalping, long-term investment. But if you really go into it, each of this has its own peculiar set of skill set that you need. A 100-meter sprinter is very different from a marathon runner. So if you can differentiate these two well, you are on your way to finding out what is the trading style that is suited for you. And number 3 is journal. Now, how many of us really journal? And the most I would expect most people will just journal is recording their profit and loss. For each trade, did they make money or did they lose money? But I have since expanded to record more things. For example, reason for an entry, reason for an exit, my emotions during a trade, and also looking at what went right and what went wrong. So the more things you put in your journal, the better it will be. And most importantly is for you to review your journal at the end of the day. If you're able to screenshot your charts and mark up notes, annotate, well, that's even better. So this is something that you need to do as well. Number 4, really increase your chart time and identifying key levels before each trading day. And once you've done this part, then I think for me, I'm now mainly trading price action. I don't have indicators at all. So chart time and key levels is very important for me in terms of identifying where price is going to move. And this is something that you need to do like any good athlete. I keep comparing traders to athlete. You need to put in your time in your charts. And the last thing which I have also started to do for the last month is to have a pre-market write-up. So I'm thinking myself like a journalist, a market analyst, and I write these 5 things. What is the current market condition? I will do a write-up, one para write-up on my analysis of the 4-hour chart, and I will also write about what do I expect price to do for the next trading day. And next, I will also write in scenario when would I become a buyer or when would I become a seller in terms of the price action movement. And at the end of the day, I will also journal if I've made any trades and also review was my expected price movement a correct analysis or not. Well, those are the 5 things that really improve my trading game. And that is all I have for this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. Have a great trading month ahead. I think from now on I'll just do 1 video a month, and I'll keep thinking of what new videos I would like to do. If you have any ideas, do provide a comment below and I will try to look into it. Thank you. Bye bye.